Silence. Silent. Waiting. Water. Wind.
Wait till I'm as old as father, by gad, what a time I'll have, eh? Come on, Madeleine. I'm out for the night. I'm 16 years of age today, and I
Drifting. Hey.
just as sure as my name's Jim.
The flowers left thick at nightfall in the wood this Eastertide call into mind the men, now far from home, who, with their sweethearts, should have gathered them, and will do never again.
With their sweethearts. With their sweethearts. Will do never again.
Over the land, freckled with snow half thawed, the speculating rooks at their nest cawed, and saw from elm tops, delicate as flower of grass, what we below could not see, winter pass.
And with their sweethearts gathered there. But will do never
I'll be
again.
doing the same as him, having some
Never again.
Where does Daddy go when he goes out?
The flowers left thick at nightfall in the wood this Eastertide call into mind the men, now far from home, who,
The
with
244th.
their sweethearts,
The
should have gathered
244th.
and will do never again.
Battery moves forward.
We've got a pretty nurse at home. She is a little dear. He flashes like a beetroot every time the father's near. Once I was in not my proper place, but I saw father.
Siege battery.
Wait till I was older, Dad. Just as sure as my name's Jim, I'll be doing
Fear rises. Fear rises. Field shells sing. Sing. Field
Over the
shells
land,
sing.
freckled with snow half thawed,
Machine guns
the
sputter.
speculating
Sputter.
rooks at their
Sputter.
nest
Sputter.
called,
Sputter.
and saw from elm
Wheels of
tops,
tanks.
delicate as flower of
Shells
grass,
ripping.
what we below could not
Screaming.
see, winter pass.
Wait till I'm as old as Dad. I'm following my father's footsteps. I'm following the dear old Dad. He's just a nice young gal. Oh, I want one as well. I don't anybody here tonight either.
The whole world heaves. Heaves. The whole world heaves. Heaves. The 244th Siege Battery.
The flowers left thick at nightfall in the wood this Eastertide call into mind the men, now far from home, who, with their sweethearts, should have gathered them, and will do never again. Drifting,
Fear.
silent,
Exhaustion. Waiting.
tableau, prisoners, mud, resting, dark, trees, bright, scorched, exhausted,
Mud.
cinder,
Rifle. Blade.
whistling,
Barrage.
sing,
Telegraph.
spatter, wind,
Bones.
water,
Delicate.
blade,
Bullets.
night, die, blast, fear, shell, dawn, thrushes,
Delicate.
fierce,
Chemical.
photographs, hawk, trench, network,
Mud.
paths,
Rifle.
holloways, destroy, emplacements, camouflaged,
Delicate. Telegraph.
skylarks, starlings, revolver, observation,
Waiting.
elder,
Waiting.
thorn,
Flower.
sparrows, blackbirds,
Who with their sweethearts
action,
should have gathered them,
casual,
but will do
home,
more.
waiting,
No
boots,
more. Will do no more.
devastation, erase, invulnerable, explosion,
Prisoner.
spring, bones,
Barrage. Rifle. Delicate. Photograph. Infantry. Fear rises to the saturation point, and then you resign yourself to the inevitable. The inevitable. You resign yourself to the inevitable. $8 million soldiers dead. 8 million.
Terms of armistice with Germany, November the 11th, 1918.
I'm so very
Between Marshal Foch,
tired.
Commander-in-Chief of the Allied armies, Admiral Weems, First Sea Lord on the one hand, and Herr Erzberger, Secretary of State, President of the German delegation, Count von Bergendorf, Envoy Extraordinary,
37 million casualties.
Major General von Winterfeld, Captain Vancelau, German Navy, duly empowered and acting on the German Chancellor, on the other hand. An armistice has been concluded on the following conditions. 19. With the reservation that any subsequent concessions or claims by the Allies
You resign yourself.
the following financial conditions are imposed. Reparation for damage done. While the armistice lasts, the public securities shall be removed by the enemy which concerns the pledge to the Allies to cover reparations. 34. The duration of the
I
armistice
hear
is to
the
be
moaning
36 days with option to
of
extend.
the wounded.
During
in
this
the field.
period, on failure of execution of any of the above clauses, the armistice may be repudiated by
The moaning
parties
of the
within
wounded
48 hours
in the
previous
field.
notice. Restitution of the Russian to ensure the execution of the present convention under the most favourable conditions, the principle of a permanent international armistice commission is recognised.
Screaming!
This commission
Screaming!
acts under the supreme authority of the High
Then
Command,
silent.
military and naval of the Allied armies. The present armistice was signed on the 11th day of November 1918 at 5 o'clock a.m.
The Covenant of the League of Nations. The high contracting parties, in order to promote international cooperation and to achieve international peace and security, by the acceptance of obligations not to resort to war, by the prescription of open, just and honourable relations between nations, by the firm establishment of the understandings of international law as the actual rule of conduct among governments, and by the maintenance of justice and a scrupulous respect for all treaty obligations in the dealings of organised peoples with one another, agreed to this covenant of the League of Nations.
The arms.
Granted on November the 11th, 1918 to Germany by the principal Allied and associated powers in order that a treaty of peace might be concluded with them, and the Allied and associated powers being equally desirous of the war in which they were successively involved
The war
in the
to end
which
all
originated in the declaration of war by Austria-Hungary on July the 28th,
This was the
against
war
Serbia.
to
The
end
declaration of war by
all
Germany against Russia
war.
was the first 1914, against France was the third 1914, and in the invasion of Belgium should be replaced by a firm, just and durable peace. Against the aggression of contracting parties, they indicate to have full powers and indeed in due form have agreed as follows. From the coming into force of
The war
treaty, the states
to end
terminate.
all
From that moment,
war.